Welcome to Halpin-Tsai Micromechanics Python code, and this is my CS50P final project. Okay, that's me with my wife. My name is Mulia Minhat. I'm from Nilai Seremban Negeri Sembilan, Malaysia. Basically, our code can be used to predict the effective elastic stiffness properties of unidirectional fiber reinforced matrix composites materials. Based on the Halpin-Tsai Micromechanics method, the effective properties of UD composites material depends on the elastic properties of the constituents, that is, fiber and matrix, which could either be isotropic or transversely isotropic material. Now, the effective properties also depend on the volume fractions of fiber in the composites. Let's see how this works in our code. In the VS Code, just type in python-i project.py, and that will bring us to the welcoming page of Halpin-Tsai Micromechanics. Now we need fibers and matrix to construct our UD composites material, which we can either create from isotropic class or transtropic class. Here we create fiberglass isotropic materials using constructor call. Another constructor call from transtropic class for carbon fiber. We can actually use getClass method if we want to have interactive user input. And if you want to instantiate object from CSV file, we can use readClass method. Now that we have constituent and materials, we can now create our UD composites from HD class. When we created UD composites material, it will now have 6 effective elastics properties estimated by Halpin-Tsai, as you can see them here. With UD composites at hand, we can now conduct micromechanics and micromechanics comparisons analysis using various tools or functions offered by this code. For example, we have display functions that shows all effective moduli versus fiber volume fractions. Then we have compare functions just to compare effective moduli of our composites versus fiber volume fractions. If you feel that your analysis is worth for further investigations, you can actually save your data with save functions or save compare functions. We could also do plot and block compare functions to plot effective moduli versus fiber volume fractions for trend analysis. And finally, we have our doc and doc compare functions to respectively document our micromechanics and micromechanics comparisons analysis, and that will make our life easier. And this was my CS50P final project.